Hello friends, myself Vayam Harde, presently working in Rajarshi Shahu Maharaj Polytechnic Nasik. So today we have see the problem on centrifugal pump. So let's start problem on centrifugal pump. So let's start first problem. The internal and external diameter of impeller of centrifugal pump are 200 and 400 mm respectively. The pump is running at 1200 rpm. Full stop. The vane angle of impeller at inlet and outlet are 20° and 30° respectively. The water enter into the impeller radially and velocity flow is constant. Determine the work done. So write down firstly problem. So in that problem, D1 is 200 mm converted into meter. D2 is a 400 meter converted into meter, 0.4 meter. Speed is given 1200. So theta is a 20° and phi is a. So in that we see the. So in this problem, U1 is calculated by pi D1 upon 60, that is 12.56, D into 0.2 into 1200 divided by 60. Similarly U2, then with the help of outlet and inlet angle, tan phi is equal to Vf1 upon U1. So with the help of that, calculate Vf1, 12.56 into tan 20, 4.57. So Vf1 is equal to Vf2, 4.57. Next, tan phi is equal to Vf2 upon U2 minus Vw2. So Vw2 is 70.215. So whenever Vw2 is obtained, so work done formula is Vw2U2 upon G. So put the value 17.215 into 25.13 into 9 divided by 9.81. The minimum answer is 44.1 Newton meter per Newton. So write down solutions. मग आता होती यायची जात तिथे धुतली. पटकन लिहून घ्या. So next example is a centrifugal pump discharge 0.118 meter cube per second at speed 1.50 rpm against a head 25 meter. The impeller diameter is 250 mm and width of outlet is 50 mm. And the diametric efficiency is 75%. Determine vane angle at the outlet of periphery. So Q is given. So given data is discharge 0.118 n rpm 1450, then beta hm 25 meter, d2 250 0.25 meter, b2 0.05 meter, in manometric 75% 0.75. So u2 calculate by pi d2 n upon 16. With the help of that, calculate the 18.98. Similarly, discharge pi d2 b2 ef2. So with the help of that, calculate q. Q is given, so vf2 pi d2. So next vf2 q upon pi d2 b2, that is a 3.0 meter per second. So manometric efficiency is ghm upon vw to u2. So with the help of that, g 9.81, hm is a 25 meter head, vw2 of 10. With the help of that, so vw2 is 9.81 into 25 divided by manometric efficiency is 0.75 into 18.98. So it is a 17.23. So the outlet velocity triangle calculated by tan phi vf2 upon u2 minus vw2. So with the help of that, calculate the tan phi, which is 59.74. So firstly write down the solutions. So next example is the centrifugal pump deliver water against net head 14.5 meter and design speed is 1000 rpm. The vane angle are curved back to the angle of 13 with the periphery. The impeller diameter is 300 mm and outlet width is 30 degree with periphery. The impeller diameter is 300 mm, outlet width is 50 mm. Determine the discharge of pump if manometric efficiency is 95%. So let HM is a 14.5 meter, speed 1000 rpm, 530 degree. The impeller diameter 300 mm converted into 0.3 meter. Similarly B2 50 meter mm 0.05 meter. So manometric efficiency is given 0.95%. So with the help of that, calculate the tangential velocity. So U2 pi d2 upon d2n upon 16, pi into 0.30 into 1000 upon 16. So that is a for 15.70. So n manometric GHM upon VW2 U2. So with the help of that, calculate VW2 0.95 into 14.5. That is a 19.9.54. So calculate tan phi VF2 upon U2 minus VW2. So V, with the help of that, calculate VF2, that is 3.556. So whenever VF2 is obtained, so Q is equal to pi d2 b2 VF. So pi into 0.30 into 0.05 into 3.556. So the required answer is 0.1675. So write down the problem and solutions. अभ्यास करायला नको. So next problem is centrifugal pump having equal diameter, 2 times of inner diameter and running at 1000 rpm. Work against head 40 meter. The velocity of flow through impeller is constant and equal to 2.5 meter per second. The vanes are set back at an angle 40 degree. The outlet diameter is 500 mm and width is 50 mm. Determine vane angle, work done and efficiency. So firstly write down problem. So in that problem, efficiency RPM is 1000 RPM, HM is 40 meter, VF1 is 2.5 meter, phi is 40 degree, D2 is 500 mm, D1 is D2 by T2, that is 0.25, B2 is 50 mm, 0.05. So inlet angle is U1 pi D1 upon 16, so that is 13.09, D2 pi D2 upon 16, that is 26.18. So with the help of that, calculate Q pi d2 v2 vf2. Similarly, vane angle tan phi vf1 upon u1, that is a 10.48 degree. Similarly, work done W by G VW2U2. So with the help of calculate the VW2 firstly, and after that VW2 calculate the work done by impeller 11922.79 degree. So in this way we are completed the all problems of centrifugal pump. Thank you.